Waving the white flag, a sign of peace and surrender. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, waving the white flag. It's a phrase rich in history and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English communication. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in conversation. When someone waves the white flag, they are signaling that they want to stop fighting, arguing, and are asking for peace or surrender. This phrase can be used literally, such as in a battle when one side gives up. However, it's also used metaphorically in everyday language to indicate a desire to end a disagreement or to concede a point during a debate. The practice of using a white flag to signal surrender dates back to centuries ago. It is widely recognized as an international symbol of truce or ceasefire during combat. The white flag, being the opposite of a colored battle flag, symbolizes the absence of aggression and a willingness to negotiate peace. Over time, this literal use in military contexts has evolved into a metaphorical expression in everyday language. In personal disputes, after hours of arguing, I finally waved the white flag and apologized to my friend. In business or negotiations, the company decided to wave the white flag and accepted the terms offered by the other party. In sports and competitions, seeing no path to victory, the team waved the white flag and congratulated their opponents. To use this phrase effectively: 1. Know your audience. Ensure the context is appropriate for a metaphor related to surrender or truce. 2. Use it to express humility or willingness to compromise. It shows you're open to dialogue or conceding a point gracefully. 3. Combine with humor. In lighter situations, it can be a playful way to admit defeat or change the subject. Waving the white flag is a powerful phrase that signifies surrender, peace, and the willingness to end conflict. Whether you're using it in a personal argument or a professional dispute, it communicates a desire for resolution and understanding. We hope this video has given you a deeper insight into this phrase and how it can be used in your English communications. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content in the future.